Number 1. The human eye forms the image of an object at its option A. Cornea, option B. Iris, option C. Pupil, option D. Retina. And the correct option is retina. 2. The ability to adjust the focal length of the eye lens is called option A. presbyopia, option B. accommodation, option C. nearsightedness, and option D. farsightedness. And the correct option is option B. accommodation. Number 3. The least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is about option A. 25 meter, option B. 2.5 centimeter, option C. 25 centimeter, and option D. 2.5 meter. And the correct option is 25 centimeter. 4. The change in focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of the option A. pupil, option B. retina, option C. ciliary muscles, and option D. iris. And the correct option is option C. ciliary muscles. 5. The nature of the eye lens is option A. always convex, option B. always concave, option C. sometimes convex and the other times concave, option D. cannot say. And the correct option is option A. always convex. 6. The cells which enable us to distinguish between colors are option A. rod-shaped, option B. cone-shaped, option C. both rod and cone-shaped, option D. none of these. And the correct option is cone-shaped. 7. For an equilateral prism, the angle of the prism is option A. 60 degree, option B. 45 degree, option C. 40 degree, and option D. none of these. And the correct option is 60 degree. 8. A glass prism has option A. 6 rectangular surfaces, option B. 4 rectangular surfaces, option C. 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular surfaces, option D. none of above. And the correct option is 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular surfaces. 9. The focal length of the eye lens increases when eye muscles option A. are relaxed and lens becomes thinner, option B. contract and lens becomes thicker, option C. are relaxed and lens becomes thicker, option D. contract and lens becomes thinner. And the correct option is are relaxed and lens becomes thinner. 10. When light rays enters the eyes, most of the refraction occurs at the option A. crystalline lens, option B. outer surface of cornea, option C. iris, and option D. pupil. And the correct option is outer surface of the cornea. 11. The phenomena of light responsible for the working of human eye is option A. reflection, option B. refraction, option C. power of accommodation, and option D. persistence of vision. And the correct option is option B. refraction. 12. How many times does a ray of light bend on passing through a prism? Option A. once, option B. twice, option C. thrice, and option D. none of above. And the correct option is option B. twice. 13. The splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called option A. rainbow, option B. atmospheric refraction, option C. dispersion of light, option D. none of these. And the correct option is option C. dispersion of light. 14. In a prism, which color deviated most? Option A. red, option B. blue, option C. green, and option D. violet. And the correct option is option D, violet. 15. At the point of blind spot, there are no option A, cones, option B, rods, option C, cones and rods, option D, none of these. And the correct option is option C, cones and rods. 16. The space between eyelens and the retina is filled with liquid called option A, aqueous humor, option B, vitreous humor, option C, water, and option D, none of these. And the correct option is option B, vitreous humor. 17. When looking at a distant object, the ciliary muscles of the eye are option A, relaxed, option B, contracted, option C, strained, option D, both A and B. And the correct 18. The far point of a normal eye is option A, 25 centimeter, option B, 25 meter, option C, infinity, and option D, none of above. And the correct option is option C, infinity. 19. If the earth had no atmosphere, then the sky would have appeared option A, blue, option B, red, option C, bright, and option D, dark. And the correct option is dark. 20. The fluid present between cornea and eye lens is option A, vitreous humor, option B, aqueous humor, option C, water, and option D, none of above. And the correct option is. For more videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.